today's video I am going to be recreating this by using our £1 products from Poundland and very inexpensive bits and bobs from Primark. If you really want to see how to achieve this look, just stay on. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Oh, let me know what you're thinking of dressing up as today on Halloween. Apart from that, I just want to say happy Halloween. I hope you have a lovely day, and let's just get right onto this video. But basically what I have so far is a mess. The last few videos that I've done, I thought I'm going to carve out this superb pumpkin and it was going to be wonderful. And I also thought that the Pound-worthy green light up makeup in the dark would also work, and it didn't. So I thought, I also had another idea to do, which I also got the stuff from Poundland, to paint my skin into like a Halloween thing. Now I only have black and white, so I've been googling some pictures for inspiration, and I think we're going to do is a hollow skull, I think, since I also got the gooey glue from Poundland. Try that on as well, and because I don't know if it's actually going to work, considering the last few times I've done some stuff they didn't. I don't know if the cream colours are going to be dark enough, consistent enough. I don't know if it's going to stick or dry. I'm completely unaware of it at the moment, and I don't know if the blood will even be gooey like it says it is, or is it just going to be, again, something that might just not work out. So I popped over to Superdrug and I tried to look for some makeup that I might be able to buy and do some kind of cute makeup style, I don't know, for Halloween. And I couldn't really find anything. They had some kind of fun chocolate range that I really was going to get, but then again I thought I literally don't do eyeshadow, and if I get an eyeshadow palette and go all out, I'm gonna have to buy proper brushes and all that stuff. So I kind of walked away for a bit, and then I went into Lush where I got myself a little pumpkin. I mean, this is, for me, this is the bomb. It's gorgeous. So I got that to kind of cheer myself up. I also got a charity pot from Lush. They're really cute and really tiny. Hand cream. So I don't know, I don't really use a lot. And then I remember I had this a couple of years ago, maybe a year or two, and I used to carry one everywhere, and it lasted me for I think a month or two. And I think to spend about £1 for a month or two, that's £6 or £12 a year. And you know what, I was like, yeah, I'll vibe with that. So then I popped over to Primark, and I wasn't really looking for anything. I was like, I'm gonna see what Primark has. And so when I walked into Primark, I saw some sparkly stuff, and I was like, oh my god, because obviously by then I'd have bought the Lush pumpkin. I was in a very sparkly mood, and I just bought it, and I thought to myself, maybe I can try doing some kind of eye makeup. Maybe I can see if I can make myself look, sorry about that, some kind of cute smoky eye look, and try doing that, and then do the skull so it's like pretty sparkly. And then wait, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to use my flashlight, and in that way, oh, can you see the sparkle? Yeah, so you can see the sparkle. Camera, I can see it reflecting in the lens. Oh my gosh. This is the PS Primark eyeshadow stuff. So it comes with 2 brushes, so I thought this might come in handy. And then I also got a really fluffy brush so that I can blend better. I got some face paint cream crayons. The reason why I got it is because they had black in it, and again, I don't know if the black everything will work. I'm going to use my eyeliner as well if I can, but I thought this would be good for drawing out bigger, I don't know, lines, I guess. We're going to see what we can do, because I don't know. It is 4:45 right now. Let's see how long this takes. Also, if you see a little mirror here, I'm just going to be using them to do my makeup. The lady, she sellotaped her here. Now, I've done this before. Like last year I've tried this, and I really like messed up with my eyeliner and stuff. But I think because I tried it for eyeliner and not eyeshadow, it wasn't really good. With the eyeshadows, it seems to be working significantly better. Okay, so we're gonna leave that there. Next thing I saw was the lady, she had like a transition color. So I got here my Soap and Glory bronzer that I would use a lot during second and third. So I think she'd done like a dark to go on the outside and then she kind of moved in. So I'm going to go with the black and the burgundy on the outer, and then I think I'm going to mix it in with a bit of the white, and then I'm going to go over it to make it look super sparkly with the gold. I'm going to use this little thing, and then I'm going to pat it in, and then I'm going to fluff it out. Oh my god. So it's not even powder, it's like this gooey douche. Oh my god! Oh, okay, you know what? The glitter got me. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of living for this. Definitely is a good way to play with brushes. I feel like these were not a bad idea. The only thing I'm going to do, I am going to just do eyeliner, and then I'm just going to move on to the skull. This looks terrible. Ugh. I'm closing my eyes because I'm really scared to see what I'm going to see. Okay, well at least my line is clean. Little area. Hello. So this is kind of what I have. I've unpacked everything and I put the white in here, the white paint in here. And this is how everything looks like. So these are the black and white creams, and this is the fake blood. It is very runny, I don't know if it's visible. And this is the gel blood makeup. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to map it out. Okay, so the consistency is the same as the green cream. This is how it looks drawn out. I'm not gonna lie, it genuinely looks better on camera than it does in real life. So technically the camera's giving me justice. Two years ago, this time 2 years ago on Halloween, 2 years ago in October, I went to a party shop in Portsmouth and I found this awesome scary makeup that was like literally zips and glue and like gooey blood and everything like that. And I literally looked the bomb. It was such good makeup. Because I don't really want to waste daylight what we have left of, I'm going to use my hairdryer and I'm going to put it on a low setting and eco. So it is drying, however, it is extremely patchy. Oh my god, as I was eating it was wow. This might not work out, guys. With the black colouring on my nose apparently. We'll try and do it. Next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put the black inside my lips. I hope these are not like toxic, because that's scary. Do you know what I can try doing? Using this pen? Oh my god. So I think I'm going to be able to use this brush. So far we've got this. I think the only thing I'm going to get away with is when I put blood on it. It's going to get so gory. Oh my god. I hope the blood... I think the blood will save this. Okay, cheekbones are sisters, not twins. So it looks like she eyeshadowed in this area and then she shadowed in this area. Wait. What I just did, I put my little flash cam on and shined it on my head because it's becoming darker outside. So then what I'm going to do now is I am going to try using this gooey stuff. So it looks interesting. It looks crazy on the camera. And then next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this fake blood and I'm just going to start frickling it onto my skin. Can I just say, I destroyed my wall. So this is my wall now. This is my mirror now. It's got blood everywhere. And my floor as well has blood on it. But the wall I had to leave it because if I start smudging it and then this happened. So it literally just looks like somebody probably got murdered. Me. Again, thank you for watching, and if you liked my video, just give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.